Happy day students, I welcome you all for another video for class 3 computer science. So this is the video on lesson log on to logo, video 1. Today this is basically a different lesson. So far we have learned chapters in MS Paint where it is a drawing software where lots of tools are there. We just take certain tools into. This is a logo software where this is a drawing software where we are going to see using commands. Let's get into the lesson, student. Now, what is logo? It is a very simple language. Like friends, I would like to say something like, we speak language and we also have friends or something like, okay, we have language as the medium to talk or to write. You may speak different language like Hindi, English and other religions, but to talk to any person, we need a common language in which he or she will be able to understand. Likewise, in computer also, which does not understand the language that we speak, it has its own language. If we want to give instruction to the computer, we need to learn the language which computer understands. Likewise, logo, it's also one of the easiest computer language. It's also called as a simple language. The full form of logo is L stands for logic, O stands for oriented, and G for graphic, and O again for oriented. Okay, it's logic, oriented, graphic, oriented. As I said, can you see a turtle here? Who is he? He is our hero. Who is he? He is our hero. So he is the one who is going to do all the operations, that's the commands, whatever we give. He is the person who is going to do. So what can we do? We can draw pictures. We can do calculation. We can print certain text. So who is he? He is the turtle. Let us see how is he represented. Before starting into logo, you have to know who is the founder, right? He is Professor Samuel Papert. He was the one who introduced the logo. And now, when you wanted to do something, we need to know how to start a program, isn't it? Yes. So how to start a logo? To start a logo program, let us follow these steps. First, we need to click on Start button. Second, All Programs. Again, just click on the window Microsoft Windows logo. After which, there is one more sub option. Select Microsoft Windows logo. And you will see. Yes, this is the logo screen. Yes, we saw a turtle. Now, this turtle is identified by a triangle. Turtle is identified. What is this? This triangle, can you see a small triangle there? Who is he? He is a turtle. He will be represented by a symbol, triangle symbol. Okay. Now, this is the screen. As soon as we log into the logo, you will see the screen. Can you see my pointer moving around? Yes, this is the logo screen. Can you see this logo screen is split into two? What is it? It is split into two screens. It is called main screen window, commander window. So in main screen window, here this is the where you will find our hero. Who is he? Turtle. We can find triangle called turtle here. This is the turtle where you will see in main screen. Main screen window is also called as graphic screen. Okay. Now, second window. What is this? Commander window. Command and input box and recall. This is the commander window. This is the place where we are going to type the commands. And in the recall list box, whatever the command we type it will appear. Whatever the command we have given this turtle, our hero will draw. Okay. So how many screen it is divided into? It is divided into main screen and commander window. Next one. Let me explain to you the other features on logo. Okay. So who is this middle one, triangle one? Who is he? Yes, he is turtle. So you all know the logo is divided into two screens. What is this screen? Yes, graphical screen. What is this one? Yes, commander window. I talked about recall list, right? So now here can you see here commands FT 100, RT 90. What is these? This is called recall list box. Whatever the command we type here in this command input box, those will appear on this area. So this is called as recall list box. And on the right hand side, if you see, there are lots of buttons: alt button, pause button, status, reset, and execute. So now here halt button, what will it do? It stops the logo from proceeding further. It will stop the command in proceeding further. And now this pause button, if you click on this pause button, what will happen? This will stop executing of logo program. We can examine the instruction and make some changes. For making changes, we need to use this pause button. Status button, what does it do? It displays the current status of settings. Can you see a set here? What are the current status? What is the pen size and everything? It displays. Okay. Reset, and what does it do? Resets the logo output screen. That is, whatever the changes we have done, it will go back to the original one. Okay. Here can you see an option called execute? This execute button also, it is actually it is to run a command. Like when we click on this button or enter button, it is the same. What will happen? The command will get printed on the recall list box, and the action will taken place by our hero or turtle on the main screen window. The execute button is also enter button, we call it as. Okay, both are the same. Fine. We need to know the terms of logo, knowing logo types. Before that, let me explain our hero's features. Now, can you see a triangle? How is our hero, this turtle, how is he represented by? Yes, triangle. Very good. So now can you see he has certain parts. So where do you have your head? Where do you have your head? At the top. Where do you have a tail? Bottom. So at the, can you see this tilt? What is it called as? Head. And this one, can you see this part? The down base part, what is it? It is tail. So the top one is head of the turtle and this is the tail of the turtle. Now, we have typed commands here. So these commands, that is FD, I'm going to explain to you about what is FD, RD. Before this, those commands we will learn what are these called as. So now these commands is FD and RT. What is these logo commands are called as? Primitives. The commands in logo is called as primitives. When we are writing the primitives one after the other, in the previous screen we saw, right? There are lots of commands which is written in the recall list box. So what are these set of commands is called as? That is the set of primitive. It is also known as program. So the commands in logo is called as primitive set of primitives. That is a bunch. Okay, what is that called as? Program. Yes. Okay, so hope you must have understand the basic steps of logo. In next video, I will teach you in detail about the various commands and operations in logo. Thank you, students. Have a great day.